Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about something very special and you have to guess it. You guessed it? And it is a toothpaste. I've been using it from the past 3 years and it's really awesome. And it is again DXN Genosea toothpaste. So guys, this is the toothpaste that I have. I've been using it over the past 3 years, as I just told. It has a red mushroom in it. It's called Ganoderma and it has over 400 nutrition elements in it, which is so cool. Guys, this can also be used for wounds, pimples and scratches. Also, it can be used for headache. So you can put this paste in water and mix it and put it in your head. That will relieve your headache. This has a lot of medicinal value. I request you guys to brush your teeth twice a day, which is day and night. Kids can also use it. My mom had some tooth pain and when she brushed with this toothpaste, it was all gone. Like the pain was not there at all. And it's so awesome. Even kids can use it all day because there is no fluoride or any harmful chemicals in it. There's a lot more products in this company and I'm going to tell it to you in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So it also fights against cavity, tooth problem and gum problem.